Hello everyone, it's Ali here from the Best Products. Today, I'm taking a look at the Miko 3 robot, a smart device aimed at young children. But is it worth it? Let's find out. The first thing I have to say about the Miko 3 is that it's a bit expensive. But considering it's a smart device that can do many of the same things as your Alexa or Google Home, it's not surprising. The Miko 3 has a front-facing screen, a speaker, and a camera, which allows it to recognize your child for games and other activities. It's easy to set up and use, with controls on the top of the device. This robot is packed with deep learning AI that allows it to get to know your child a little better every day. This means that the robot can respond to your child's choices and preferences, making it a truly personalized learning experience. One of the standout features of the Miko 3 is its ability to play games, tell stories, answer questions, and even dance with your child. It can also play hide and seek within a 2-meter radius and has partnerships with Disney and Paramount for additional content through the Miko Max subscription service. The device has a high-resolution IPS display and a 2-megapixel camera, as well as an object detection sensor and a speaker, and it runs for about 6 hours on a single charge. But Miko 3 isn't just a learning tool, it's also a friend. This robot has a supportive personality and a sense of empathy that allows it to connect with your child on a personal level. It's like having a friend in the house that's always there to listen and offer support. One of the biggest selling points of the Miko 3 robot is its safety and friendliness. Plus, the easy-to-use Parent app allows you to control your child's usage, view security settings and information, and even make direct calls to the robot. It's also designed to be easy for children to use, with a simple interface and clear instructions. Overall, I think the Miko 3 is a great device for young children. It offers a lot of fun and educational activities, and its safety features give parents peace of mind. The only downside is the price, but if you're willing to pay for a high-quality smart device for your child, the Miko 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other unboxing and review videos.